Jones and Gail Dobosz here. We're doing a new dance called I Am Nobody to Casting Crowns Nobody. And we're going to do a tutorial right now, so we're going to turn around to you. Weight starts on that left. The first 8 counts are toe, heel, stomp. So it is toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, stomp. Second section is balance with side together side, balance side with a quarter turn. So it is a balance, step, touch, side together side, step, touch, side, quarter turn. Third section, we are going to do cross, step, cross, and cross. So we're going to cross right over left, cross, step, cross, and cross. We're going to rock to the left, recover on that right, cross and cross, cross and cross. Fourth section, final section, is a rumba box, shuffle back, coaster step. So it's a rumba box, side together, forward, side together, shuffle back, coaster step, coaster step. That is the whole dance. So with the count, we'll go this way. Okay, weights on the left. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. We have one tag. The tag is the last 4, the section 4. So we'll just do that once for you. It's the rumba box, shuffle back, coaster. So just the tag is side together, forward, side together, back, shuffle back, coaster step. So that is the whole dance. We're going to turn this off and then we're going to demo it. Thank you.